Hi guys, this is Steve from Valor Replicas. I wanted to do a quick hands-on video and demo of the Batman 89 Speargun version 2 that I'm currently offering in this interest thread. The first thing I wanted to show you is this, which is actually a version 1 print that we recently created. This is a little bit different from the version 2, but I wanted to show it because this really gives you a sense of the fit and finish that you can create very easily with the prints that come with this kit. So this is 100% printed in SLS resin. So it comes to you very smooth. It comes to you white. So you will need to prime and paint this to get this sort of a finish, but very little finishing to get a very smooth look to the gun. This gun here comes with a stainless steel barrel or shaft on the arrow and laser cut brass fins. That is what version 2 will come with as well. This one does actually show a solid brass arrowhead, which we are not going to do for version 2 just because the cost was pretty exorbitant for these. But again, when finished, I think it'll look very great. I wanted to show that because what I have to show here today is the current state of all the version 2 versions of the Speargun. And the difference between version 1 and version 2 is both significant and minor. There are no major structural changes or overall length or physical size changes, but we did sweat a lot of the details in version 2 to make sure that this is a ton more accurate with some access to some new photography that we have of the actual screen-used guns. So another change that we made is how this gun separates as it does in the film. It's now actually separates via some rare earth magnets in. So these click together very easily. It has a nice little satisfying pop and stays in place. The rest of the functionality of the gun is there. The trigger pushes, the handle moves, the barrels can spin by hand, and of course the dart fits into the shaft as well. So this is sort of the form factor of the version 2. And initially I was going to be just offering the Speargun on the run, but seeing as I am as far along on the other 2 accessories, I wanted to share those because they're really neat. So after the front detaches, we have 2 accessories that are offered. The tranquilizer dart and the bolo. The bolo is actually seen in the film and the end scene when Batman wraps this around Jack Nicholson's leg. So we have a little bit of screen access to what this looks like, but you really only see it from about this proportion. So what I've done is really match the topology of what we see in the film and then taken some liberties with how this looks from the side. So again, you saw how easy that clicks in. It's the same magnet system as you move from accessory to accessory. So this clicks into place really nicely. And these individual bolos will also come out and be attached with a faux steel wire. So you really sort of get the full sense of how that accessory works. So that is the bolo. And then the second accessory that you actually only see in some pre-production shots, and I think you actually see it in the cave shot where it's mounted in the door, is this tranquilizer dart. This attachment comes as 3 pieces. So it comes as the darts, which fit into a clip very easily. And then that clip fits down into this. This holder, again, is designed to work with the system. So it clicks in. I love that satisfying little pop. Clicks in with a magnet and works as a finished tool. So what I'm going to be doing is presenting a price for, if you want to just purchase the Speargun with the attached spear, that will be one cost. And then if you would like to buy into the accessory pack of the bolo and the tranquilizer dart, that'll be another cost. I'll be updating those prices very soon, but I wanted to share that with you tonight. Thanks a lot. Talk to you soon. Bye.